What's up everyone, this is Robert and I'm doing today a video about unboxing the D750 Nikon camera. So I just got the packages from Amazon and I ordered the Nikon D750 and a lens which is 70-300 full frame Nikon. So let's first open the boxes and see what we got inside. So this will be just a short video about unboxing and like the first sight of the camera and the sensor, and then I will do another video regarding the full specs and all my review and my thoughts about the D750. As you can see here, it's gold and it looks really nice in the packaging. So this would be the lens. I hope it is. So I got this camera and the sensor. I got it from Amazon. It was a Black Friday deal and it cost around 930 euros, which is pretty good for such a full frame camera. So this is the Nikon lens. It's 70-300, which I like a lot. So let's first start with it. So I guess you have to be focused on one side. So here it is. Back a bit. So here's the D750. The packaging look nice. We have online video tutorial. Willkommen, because I'm in Austria and I ordered the camera from Amazon Deutschland. So yeah, paper, more papers, and the huge thing. You see how many pages that is? 506 pages in the catalog. Nice. That looks pretty much it. If you want the full details, here you go. And of course, yeah, more papers, CD, which I don't know why. Let's open this. Ta-da! Yes. Here is the camera, the cable or the thing you put around your neck, battery charger, the battery itself, and some more cables. And yeah, it looks like a door, but not sure. Let's see later on. And yeah, so yeah, I really like the box and how it looks in the color. But yeah, let's take a look at the camera itself. So lot of questions I got when I first tell anyone about getting the Nikon D55 in 2019, because this camera is from 2014, and the first question comes is, okay, do you think it's really worth it to just get like oldish camera instead of the new ones? Why would you get it, and is it still really worth it? And my answer would be, I have to try it first for a couple of days before I say my full review. But why did I get it? Because I'm really interested in full frame photography, in the night, low light photography, and that's why I need a full frame camera. And to be honest, the specs in this camera compared to the price is amazing. Like this, I believe this is one of the best cameras Nikon ever did, and for this price it's fucking cheap. Like, it's not cheap, but it's compared to the full frame cameras, when you compare it to other up-to-date cameras, you would find this a really good deal, especially if you are into the full frame cameras and if you really want the low light, because this thing is a beast in low light photography, and that's what I'm really interested in. So I would do a full review video about the specs, and then how maybe after 2 weeks or so I will just do my first usage of this camera, and what are my likes, what are my dislikes, what do I think, is it really still good to have a D50 in 2019. So I guess this video is done for now. Yeah, if you want to take a look about the lens, which I guess also it will have a separate video for my review. Here's bag, warranty, papers, more papers, and more papers. So a lot of cartons to save the lens, of course, and here it is. I really like the packaging, it's really safe and secured. And here is the lens. It's 7300, 4.5 to 5.6, and this is of course the full frame, because when you order, if you are new to the photography, you will just find the two versions for the lenses. One is for the cropped sensors and one of the full frame, but we will not discuss this now. This is it for now. I'll just have to try all of them, and I would do another video for my review about these lens and the camera. And please, if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share, and also comment below what would you like me to do for the next video. Would you like me to do a review about the lens, or about the camera, or both, or show you my pictures? And also I would do another video for, especially for the lenses, how would you read this abbreviations on the lens, which is which, and so on. So if you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe, and make sure you get my latest updates. And also you can follow me on Flickr, Instagram at hotfos, which is T750, and I will just link the my accounts below the video. And that's it for today. Bye.